Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can create a status and add it to your workflow on Jira. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your account on Jira. And what you will need to do in the first step, guys, is select the project you would like to edit and customize the workflow for. So I can go with this project here. And after that, click into these three dots next to the given project name and select project settings to access your project settings. Wait for a brief moment so that it finishes loading, and after that, guys, expand the work types feature or category here on the left panel and select your work type below, like story, task, feature, epic. Let me go with epic for the sake of this tutorial and create a status for epic workflow. So what you want to do, guys, is click into edit workflow here in the top right corner of your work type, and after that add a new status to these already existing statuses here, like done, to do, and so on and so forth. You may do that by clicking into add status here at the top, and after that click into create new status and give your new status a name, like, I don't know, for example, for the sake of this tutorial, partially completed. For example, if a task or subtask has been partially completed by you or one of your coworkers, and that's basically it. You may also assign a status category like to do, in progress, or done. So let me go with in progress, that suits it best, and confirm by clicking into add here. That is going to add the given status to your list of statuses here. As you can see now, you can, for example, change its position, and after that simply use that newly created status for your workflow and assign it to your tasks and subtasks in your workflow. And that's basically it, guys. Don't forget to update and to save these changes by clicking on update workflow here in the top right corner, save and continue here. And that is going to finalize this and save your new status here. And that's it. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.